You gotta bring it over to this side. Just light it and bring it. Don't put the lighter in front of them. Yeah.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Max. Happy birthday to you. Come on, Max. Really hard, Max. Come on.
Okay, blow it. Blow. Harder.
Yeah!
You want to lick that? That's fine.
Zoe, where are you at?
Yeah, you want it? Yeah.
Woo!
And there's more inside.
Zoe, I don't know.
Buddy.
Yeah.
Yeah. You can read a few things. You can read mine.
Good job, Max. You're so awesome.
He knows how to read.
You're so awesome, Max. You're awesome at that. Okay, Max, can you wave goodbye? Wave goodbye to the camera.
Okay, Einstein.
Bye-bye.
Happy birthday.